Hello, today I want to talk about filtering by a secondary dimension. So once you come up here and add your secondary dimension like we have here, you can't filter it like you would filter your standard dimension in the typical report. So if you come up here and search organic search, you don't get any results. So in order to actually get this filter to work right, you need to come up here to advanced. You can switch back and forth here between your primary dimension and your secondary dimension. In this case, we want to use the default channel grouping as that's our secondary dimension. And then we just want to look for all landing pages coming from organic search. So we'll go ahead and put that in there, and then we're going to apply. Now you can see from here we have all of the landing pages in the last week that we have received from organic search. So that's really all it is, all it takes to come in here and filter by a secondary dimension. If you found this useful, make sure you give us a like down at the bottom. We want to know what content you guys are finding most useful for you guys so we can keep producing more of that. Also, we do have a weekly newsletter going out on Tuesdays each week, so if you want to stay up to date on all of the latest videos on Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Google Data Studio, or even Google BigQuery, make sure you come to our site and subscribe for that.